Hi there, for today's read aloud, we're going to be reading It's Christmas, David by David Shannon. At Christmas time, everyone always said no to David. Look at his little face. Do you know what he's holding? He's holding some coal. No peeking. No snitching. What's he trying to do? He's trying to get some cookies. Those are not toys. What is he holding? Little reindeer ornaments. Santa's watching David. Uh-oh, he's running down the street. Should he be doing that? Be patient. What is he doing? He's waiting for Santa. Hurry up. He's telling Santa to hurry up. Naughty list, naughty list, naughty list. Oh, David. Santa's going to bring you a lump of coal. What did he do? He broke a window. Don't start yet. Seat your grandmother. No yawning at the dinner table. That's the wrong fork. Sit up straight. Don't reach. Put your napkin in your lap. Get your elbows off the table. Look at David's face. No, David, you may not open one early. Go to sleep, David. I think he's waiting for Santa to come. No Christmas for you, David. Dear David, sorry you were naughty. Love, Santa Claus. Oh, look at David. I don't know if you can see, but he's starting to cry. Wake up, David. You were dreaming. Oh, it was just a dream. Good. Thank goodness. Yes, David, it's Christmas. Look how excited he is. He's reading, looking in his stocking. Got a new bike. Eating plenty of candy canes and cookies. Dear David, Merry Christmas. Love, Santa Claus. Look how happy he is, smiling. All right, I hope you enjoyed this little read aloud. It's Christmas, David.